Here we have three logarithmic expressions. We need to simplify each of them. So let's begin with number 1. We have 3 log 3 plus 2 log 2. What we will do here, we will use a property. Property being, if we have a times log of b, that's equivalent to log of b raised to the power of a. So that means we can rewrite 3 log of 3 as log of 3. So we'll take the 3 that's multiplied to the logarithm and raise it to the power of 3 plus 2 log 2. So this can be log of 2 squared. Right. Now what's log of 3 cubed? So log of 3 cubed is 27 and log of 2 squared. So that's log of 4. Now we will use the next property, which is log of a plus log of b, that's equals to log of a times b. Right. So that means we have log of 27 times 4. So log of 27 times 4, that's equals to log of 108. So this is the simplified value of our expression 3 log of 3 plus 2 log of 2. So let's try out number 2. So we have log of 3 plus 2 log of 5, which will be equals to log of 3 plus 2 log of 5 can be written as log of 5 squared. So here we use the property a log b equals to log of b raised to the power of a, which will be equals to log of, so here we can now multiply the two logarithm as 3 times 5 squared. So we have log of, so 5 squared is 25, 25 times 3, so that will be 75. So this is the simplified value of expression 2. Now let's do the final one, number 3. So we have 2 log of 3 plus 3 log of 2. So this will be equals to, so we have log of 3 squared plus log of 2 cubed. Log of 3 squared means we have log of 9 plus log of 2 cubed. So 2 cubed will be 8. And we'll simply multiply log of 9 times 8. So we'll multiply 9 with 8 to get 72. So our final simplified value will be log of 72.